Ay, kumuha naman kayo ni si ate, oy. Okay, ate, look at that. What's this one? This is what's this one?
Head.
Head. Okay, what happened to your teeth?
Remove.
Removed. Okay, so that's the head of the baby. Okay, and then ate, here is the lubot. And
Lubot.
look at that, the pee-pee is there, the hamburger sign. So it's going to be as in a baby sister. Alright, ate. This one, ate, is the femur of the baby. Okay.
Femur.
Yeah, the legs of the baby. This one. And then, sige pa mati doing. And then this one is the tummy of the baby. There you go. Do you see the baby moving?
Yeah.
Yeah, the baby is always moving, no? And, what is this, ate? Wait. What is that? That one. What's that one?
Hands.
No, this one.
Heart.
Heart, yes! That's the heartbeat of the baby. Very good. So far, the baby looks very healthy, ate Buyat. And very pretty like ate, right?
Yeah.
Ay, sige. Ay. Alright, 1.3 kilos na siya.
Mama, boss.